Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add games to categories or folders in Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see the library option there. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to your full game library where all your installed and purchased games are displayed. Now find any game you want to organize and right-click on it. When you do this, a menu will appear with several options. Hover your mouse over the option that says Add to. This feature allows you to group your games into custom collections, making it much easier to find and manage your library, especially if you have dozens or hundreds of games. From the submenu that appears, click on New Collection. This opens up a window where you can create your first collection. Enter your preferred name for the collection in the designated field. Whatever name you choose will help you identify this group of games later. After naming your collection, you'll notice an option to create Dynamic Collection. Click on this option. Dynamic collections are particularly useful because they automatically sort large libraries without any manual updating needed. This means your games stay organized without you having to constantly move them around, which saves a lot of time and effort in the long run. Now that your collection is created, you can start adding games to it. Right-click any game you want to add to your new collection. Once again, hover your mouse over Add to, and this time you'll see the collection you just created listed in the submenu. Select that collection, and the game will be added instantly. You'll notice that your collection now appears in the left panel of your library. This panel displays all your collections organized by the names you've given them, making navigation quick and intuitive. Your games are now neatly sorted based on the collection name you added. If you want to add more collections to further organize your library, simply repeat the process. Right-click any game you want to organize, hover your mouse over Add to, and click New Collection again. Enter your preferred name for this new collection in the designated field, then click Create Dynamic Collection just like before. After creating your second collection, right-click any game you want to add to it. Hover your mouse over Add to and select the collection you just created. The game will be added immediately, and your new collection will appear in the left panel alongside your first one. You can continue creating as many collections as you need by repeating these steps. This method gives you complete control over how your Steam library is organized, whether you want to sort by genre, completion status, multiplayer versus single player, or any other category that makes sense for you. And that's it. You've successfully organized your Steam games into collections that make your library much easier to navigate. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.